Hello, hello, my dear YouTube friends. Welcome back to Bilingual Home. Today, I am super excited to share with you two amazing resources we are going to use with our kids this year in our cooking class. These books are so simple to follow and use as a guide for cooking class or just cooking time with kids in the kitchen. So let's take a look inside of these books. First of all, I have to admit that these are the best cookbooks that I have ever seen. They are so beautifully and wonderfully designed. I highly, highly, highly recommend for anyone who loves cooking with their children. Cooking with kids provide a great opportunity for collaborative work for parents and children. Together, we can make the best memories with our kids in our kitchen. And this special time invested in teaching our kids how to cook, it's time well spent. This time is not wasted. This time not only provides special moments of bonding with our kids, but also it offers so many other benefits, including boosting their confidence, teaching math, science, reading. This time gives them extra practice in reading and extra practice in following directions. And these books have everything from cleaning to proper tools. Even they have some cooking vocabulary words, safety tips, and very simple step-by-step instructions. And every step comes with a photo to illustrate how to do it. Honestly, I wish grown-up cookbooks did this too. And I just wanted to add, if there are daddies who like to do cooking class, these books are wonderful for daddies as well. The recipes in these books are not complicated. They are very, very easy to follow. And I absolutely love that they include real food in these pictures, in this book. Also, we can see photos of different kids. Children, they get inspired by other children. And I also love that there are not only girls in the books, but also boys. So this book is for any gender, boys or girls. You know that boys can do cooking class too. They can be in the kitchen too. They can help and have great time with mama or papa. I cannot tell you how excited we are all, including our kids, to have a cooking class, to continue doing cooking class in our homeschool. We have made so many wonderful memories here in this kitchen with our kids, and we are excited to continue making those beautiful, special memories. I hope this video serves you as a little inspiration to bond your dear kids in the kitchen. Thank you again for watching, and let's remember to do everything in love. May the Lord abundantly bless your special moments with your kids in your kitchen. Until the next time, bye-bye.